put some of that garden soil around the sides and compacted it down with my hammer around the side, and I put some on the inside and put it right in there. I was going to fill this up on the inside, but Mommy said, no, don't do that just yet. We're gonna put the tulips in there. I've got to read, some of the tulips are about 3 inches deep and other ones are a little bit deeper. So I'll have to look at that and read that, make a decision which tulips are going to go around here and all that. But the grass was a little weak right in here, and after the winter I know the grass is going to grow back, and so I wanted to build this up a little bit around the outside edge, and the grass will end up growing back up over the top of this, and that'll help wedge it in. The grass will grow through that and around it and stuff. I think that looks halfway decent now. Okay, so in the next couple days, I was going to do it now, but man, it's cold out here, and it's getting a little late in the afternoon. The sun's gone over the mountains and it's cold. Well, I think I've done enough for today, but I am very pleased with the way that planter area has come out. I'm glad I painted it too. All right.